wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best snow globe kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Glitzy Globes Ferris Wheel lets children have fun with their glittery creations even after they're done putting them together. Use the materials to prepare up to 4 miniature domes, then insert them into the carnival ride built just for them. It comes with a convenient water bottle and assembly is quick and simple. However, there aren't enough globes to fill the wheel. At number 9, because the Faber-Castell Light Up comes with several sheets of shrinking film, artists can turn their creations into three-dimensional figures. Once the drawings have been baked for a bit, they'll become solid and waterproof. Glitter and sequins act as snow, and it's equipped with built-in illumination, but this one requires adult help. Coming in at number 8 on our list, keep your loved ones nearby all day long by displaying a Polaroid pencil holder on your desk. This attractive decoration acts as both a frame for a 2x3-inch photograph and a place to hold your writing utensils. It's made of shatter-resistant acrylic and doesn't require any assembly. A magnetized version is also available. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Snow Globe Kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, because the 3-inch screw-off cap on the bottom is relatively large and strong, you can add lots of decorations to the Creative Hobbies DIY. It's perfectly clear and shatterproof, so you'll be able to enjoy your finished creation for a long time. It's equipped with a push-to-fit inner seal and is affordably priced, but it doesn't come with any accessories. Moving up our list to number 6. If you're looking for a fun yet simple way to display a cherished picture, consider the Neal Enterprises Photo. Because the globe is made of plastic rather than glass, it won't shatter if it gets knocked over. It's easy to put together and can hold up to 2 photos, however the base could be sturdier. Halfway up our list at number 5. Rather than limit you to a single theme, the Mindware Glitter offers budding artists a world of endless possibilities. The included booklet lists a few ideas to get you started, ranging from cute animals to delicious-looking baked goods. It includes 12 colors of clay and a double seal system that prevents leaks. This one's best for older kids. At number 4, get ready for the winter season with the Creativity for Kids holiday. This Jolly Craft set is complete with a tiny Santa, a reindeer and a snowman, as well as several colors of modeling clay that can be used to make anything from candy canes to penguins. It also comes with plenty of sparkly glitter and is made from non-toxic materials. However, the clay feels very hard. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, you can make a dozen custom decorations with the SNS Worldwide 12-pack. Simply draw whatever you like on the included paper insert and slide it into the slot that runs through the center of the dome. You'll soon have a piece of art worth displaying on a desk or mantle. Each is nearly 4 inches tall and includes decorating ideas. It makes a fun activity for birthday parties. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Snow Globe Kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, children who would rather wear their creations than stick them on a shelf might enjoy the Glitzy Globes Frozen Pack. Disney fans can not only make miniature domes containing their favorite characters, but attach them to a ring, a bracelet, or a necklace as well. It comes with 4 figurines and is suitable for kids as young as 5. A dome maker helps prevent spills. And coming in at number 1 on our list, as with many, you can add pictures to the Neal Enterprises Create Your Own, but the base is customizable as well. You'll find simple latches at the bottom to make putting everything together easy. It arrives with 4 printed inserts and holds 2x3-inch photos. It's a child-friendly plastic construction. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Snow Globe Kits, or simply click beneath this video.